In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek alongside other AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that turns raw ideas into a polished, nuanced piece of writing without wasting time or losing your voice. We'll move through a clean pipeline. Start with DeepSeek for structure and reasoning, pass the draft to ChatGPT for clarity and readability, bring it into Claude for depth and tone, and finish with a quick quality check. You can use this for blog posts, newsletters, reports, or scripts like this one. Begin in DeepSeek. This is your engine for raw thinking and clear scaffolding. DeepSeek excels at logical reasoning, structured outputs, and technical breakdowns, which makes it perfect for building the foundation. In a new chat, paste this prompt exactly. Write a detailed outline for a blog post about how AI is changing small businesses. Include sections, bullet points, and key arguments. Let it generate a comprehensive outline. If the result is too short, ask it to expand each section with 2 or 3 subpoints, or to add counter-arguments and practical examples. Keep the best version and note any sections you want to emphasize later. Now move to ChatGPT for refinement. Paste DeepSeek's outline and say, rewrite this into a polished, engaging blog post with a friendly tone. Make it easy to read for beginners. ChatGPT is great at smoothing transitions, simplifying jargon, and organizing ideas into reader-friendly paragraphs. If you need a specific voice, mention it here, such as concise and helpful or warm and supportive. Ask for short paragraphs, clear subheadings, and an inviting introduction and conclusion. Make sure it keeps the key arguments from DeepSeek intact. Next, bring the improved draft into Claude for style and depth. Use this prompt. Improve this article by making it more thoughtful and nuanced. Add deeper insights and improve the tone. Avoid fluff. Claude shines when you want richer analysis and a more reflective voice. Encourage it to strengthen implications, balance benefits and risks, and clarify why the points matter for small businesses. If something feels overwritten, ask Claude to tighten while preserving nuance. Finish with a final check in either ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Run a grammar and style pass, confirm facts and dates, and generate a brief summary. You can say, proofread for grammar and clarity, keep the meaning. Then, verify factual consistency. Finally, provide a 3-sentence summary. Save all versions so you can compare and combine the best parts. That's the workflow. Start structured, refine for readability, deepen for insight, and close with quality control.